fears. Hello, you're listening to Outlook, introducing you to extraordinary people and life-changing stories from across the world. I'm Mubin Azar, and we start today with a powerful memory.
I grabbed onto the barbed wire fence, digging into my hand. They would not let other adults see the prisoners, but I'm a child. I just want to hug my dad.
That image, a confused 6-year-old girl gripping on to... Lauren Vroom feels it to this day, looking back over some 40 years to her childhood in Vietnam and the sudden shift in everything she knew in South Vietnam. Lauren has memories of her dad from before the separation. More accurately, they're fragments of memories. She knew he was important and that people respected him. He was an officer in the South Vietnam Army, allied with the United States in their fight against the communist forces of the North.
What my dad was like and our family was like before the end of the war. People saluting my dad, people being at his beck and call, him coming home with a 5 o'clock shadow, lighter than yours, and throwing me up in the air and hugging and kissing me. Then he was gone.
There's a Viet Cong machine gun in there, about 100 yards away.
Good evening, everyone. Less than a half hour ago, the Republic of South Vietnam unconditionally surrendered to the Viet Cong. President Dong Von's big man told his people in a radio address, "We are here."